welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Christina Gisele, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a bathroom clean of me. My bathroom is just such a mess right now. I haven't cleaned it in like a week or two. It's just a room that I just hate cleaning, probably like the most of you guys. So if you're looking for that bathroom motivation and you're trying to get your bathroom nice, clean, and fresh like me, continue to watch to the end so that you can get the cleaning motivation you need. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my bathroom. Now don't be fooled, it may not look as dirty as you may think on film, but in person it is just dusty and grimy, and I wanted to go over all the places that just get super icky that you may not see again, but in person, because I have a light colored bathroom, it just is just showing and screaming clean me. So I really want to do an extreme deep clean, especially in the shower area. I feel like my shower gets really grimy and all the little intricacies. So I hope you guys are able to get cleaning with me and get that motivation to get up. And if you're not doing it right now, I hope this gives you the motivation to get your bathroom clean too, because like I said in the beginning of the video, I dislike cleaning my bathroom, but it's definitely something that I need to do regularly because I like a nice and clean bathroom. So I'm starting with getting my laundry started with all the bath towels and cleaning out all the items that I have in the shower, so I can just have everything cleared out so that when I'm ready to start scrubbing, it's out of my way. So let's get going. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us. A tip that I wanted to give you guys is whenever you're cleaning out your bathroom garbage, I always leave another garbage bag on the bottom, so that way when I'm emptying out, I could just have that bag to just put back on. So I'm gonna get started with cleaning the toilet bowl, because today was a day that I just felt like this would be the easiest. As you can see, there was just a lot of dust buildup. I have my hair everywhere. I'm going through like postpartum hair loss stall, even though my daughter's 18 months, but I just am always finding hair and dust all over this bathroom because it's a light color. So I'm going to start by spraying it down with my Method bathroom cleaner, and I always use paper towel when I'm cleaning the bathroom because I just think that's just so much more sanitary to me specifically. I know some people may use like microfiber towels, but I choose not to do that, and I just want to get this all clean, and then I'm going to use a toilet bowl cleaner and then have it soak into the toilet until later on where I scrub it down. Do you guys ever notice that the bathroom sink is like always the first thing to get dirty so fast? I'm trying to do a really good wipe down because I'm always noticing that like a few days after I clean, it just gets dirty right over again. Like you just have to constantly be wiping it down. It's probably because I'm always shedding my hair, as well as I guess we brush our teeth and I use mouthwash a lot, but it really is the first place you see when you walk into the bathroom. So I try to make sure I'm wiping that down even on days I'm not doing an extreme clean. And we use a water pick and electric toothbrushes in our home, and I feel like they're so helpful with keeping our teeth healthy. Do you guys use any electric toothbrush or water picks at your house, and do you guys clean that regularly as well? I realize that if you don't clean it, it gets really dusty too, so I try to stay on top of cleaning it, as well as I recommend you guys do the same. It's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us. patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So I really hope that you guys are doing well. I can't believe it is the second month of 2021. Wow, this month just really flew by, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves and you're just staying on track with all your goals. I know for me, I really just want to stay on track with being clean and organized, continue to declutter. I actually wanted to make sure that I wipe down all these drawers. I'm going to actually be doing a bathroom declutter and organize video coming out soon, but for now I just wanted to wipe everything down. Do you guys usually wipe down your bathroom cabinets and stuff and drawers regularly every time you clean, or do you do it like every once in a while? I know I barely really go inside my drawers regularly, so I wanted to make sure I did that. And then eventually when I do my declutter video, I'm going to be going through all my stuff. As you can see, I have an organizer there, but it just looks so cluttered and messy, and I just want to just start getting rid of the things that I don't need and that don't belong in 2021. So let me know if you guys have started decluttering and organizing more as well.
Look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We'd never fall, could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven.
So last year I started using this toilet cleaning disposable wand by Clorox, and let me tell you, it's such a game changer. I just hated having like that reusable toilet bowl cleaner. I'm just so over those. I think they're kind of disgusting. And now that I have these, right after I finish cleaning it, I just throw it out and I have a whole new pack the next time I want to do it. So I definitely recommend you guys doing that. And I usually just wipe it down because, like I said, it just gets so dusty in my bathroom, but it's definitely a game changer. So if you guys don't use it, you should definitely try.
I just know things will never be the same. Like strangers again.
So I'm spraying my scrubbing bubble spray. This is like my go-to spray for cleaning my shower. I think it does a really good job. It doesn't have a lot of fumes and it doesn't give me a headache when I clean, and it's pretty effective at getting all the dirt and the grime out, and I love it for the grout, especially along with this heavy duty brush that I believe I got from, I think I got it from Home Depot or Lowe's, and I really like it with getting all like the corners of the shower, because I feel like that's what gets like, you know, mold and grime. So I definitely recommend you guys try getting a heavy duty brush as well. And if you don't use the Scrubbing Bubbles brand, let me know in the comments, what do you use to clean your shower? My shower is really hard to clean. It's just like, since it has a sliding door, it's a pretty hard angle. I'm usually on my hands and knees. I'm looking for something that I could like actually use while I'm standing up, but still has that effectiveness of a brush like this. I haven't seen or found anything like that. And when I do clean my shower, I like to go all in and make sure I get all the grime and the dirt out, so that way if I only clean it like once a month, it takes a long time for it to get dirty. I don't want to do it, you know, not with the full effect, and then it gets dirty in like a week. So I definitely recommend that you guys use the heavy duty brush and the Scrubbing Bubbles. But if you don't, let me know in the comments what your go-to is and how effective it works for you.
Every time we close, places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge.
Do you guys use a bathroom no rinse spray after you finish taking a shower or a bath? I know recently I got the Method no rinse spray that I use as a rinse spray and no rinse, but after you get out the shower, you just spray it on your bathroom doors or on your bathroom tiles, wherever you want to spray it to prevent like soap scum. Because I know when I first moved into this house and I got these glass doors, I always had to use like a squeegee to clean them to prevent soap scum. And then I got tired of doing it, especially after it was all nice and clean. So now that I have this spray, I just spray it all over my bathroom, and I really have noticed that my bathroom stays a lot cleaner. So you guys should definitely check out some no rinse sprays.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. I'm superhero.
So one of the top things I hate cleaning around my house is just dust. I think I've talked about dust a few times on this video so far, but I just have to regularly clean my baseboards and all the little like parts on the wall, and it just drives me nuts how fast dust builds up. And I also like to wipe down this non-washable rug, memory foam rug. And as you guys can see, I'm a shorty, I'm 5'1", so it's really hard for me to clean on top of my vanity mirrors and just like the top area of my bathroom. I usually have to ask my husband to do so, but he was watching the baby when I was filming. So do you guys have like a specific method on how you dust? Do you use like a duster? Do you just wipe it down with like a microfiber towel? How do you do it, and how do you stay on top of it? I feel like I am dusting like every other day.
We fall apart piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing.
The final product, loves, my extreme bathroom clean of me, my first bathroom clean of 2021. I'm just so happy I was able to get this accomplished and get my bathroom just looking nice and clean and neat and fresh for the new year. I hope I gave you the motivation to clean your bathrooms and your homes, and just to get into that spirit of feeling good in your home and your space, and getting that motivation to just get your house nice and clean and organized. And if you guys like this video, and if you haven't already, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you aren't, because I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. I'm going to be creating more videos like this throughout the new year, and I just love for you guys to hang out with me while I make these videos. So I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.